Hello, this is the Douglas County Health Department's video tutorial to sign up online for one of our upcoming vaccine clinics. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to your browser. In this case, it's Google, and you're going to type in dchealth.org. And that's what we want right there. And we're going to go to the website. Now, once you're on the website, you will see something that looks a lot like this. So you'll see COVID-19 vaccine information. You will see, please click on the links below to register for the COVID vaccination clinics. These are for 65 and older only. There will be the location, the date, and the time, and you will just select whichever one works best with your schedule, or whichever one is the only one with appointments remaining open. Upon clicking on the link, it will open a screen like this. You cannot click on any of the red boxes. Those times are fully booked. You can, however, click on the green one, and right here you'll see Douglas County First Dose COVID Clinic. And don't add to calendar at this time. Time is of the essence when securing these appointments. Since we only are being allocated 300 vaccines a week, it's imperative that you make the most of your time online when securing these tickets. So there is one ticket currently available, and you're going to add to cart. Immediately upon adding to your cart, you'll see up here, there is a 5-minute timer that will start. You have 5 minutes to complete the entire registration process before losing this ticket and someone else can take it. Up here you'll see there is one ticket marked. We recommend only doing one ticket at a time because, again, time is of the essence and better to get one ticket than no tickets. You're going to click Continue, and it will open up the review order page. So here you're going to enter all the information, your personal information. You have to have an email address in there in order to proceed. The system requires it. That's what the asterisk is beside email. So the very first thing you need to do is enter a valid email address. If you enter the wrong email address, your confirmation papers and your ticket will not be sent. It can't reach you if the email address is not correct. So it's very important to make sure that it is. And if you don't have an email address, you can borrow one from a friend or family member. It doesn't compromise their email box. It's simply giving the system a place to send your confirmation and your ticket for the vaccine clinic. So I'm going to enter email address here. Then I'm going to enter my name. I'm going to enter date of birth. If you are not 65 and older, please discontinue your registration at this point. We will, as soon as we are allocated more than 300 vaccines a week, we will expand the individuals in 1B who are eligible to register for appointments for one of our upcoming clinics. Then you're going to select the gender. Then you're going to select ethnic background. You're going to confirm that the information that you've entered in the email address is correct. You're going to enter a valid phone number. Then you're going to enter your home address. This should be whatever address is currently on your driver's license or state ID, which you also need to bring with you to the upcoming clinic should you get an appointment. And you're going to enter the zip code, the city, and then you're going to enter the country. United States of America. Once that pops up, you're going to select Illinois, and then you're going to click Continue. Here you can see that I only have a remaining 1 minute and 30 seconds that this ticket is secure and no one can take it from me. We are going to submit registration, and this is your confirmation page. At this point, you can take a deep breath. You have secured your appointment, and your appointment has been confirmed. They will give you an order number up here. It will be a series of letters and numbers, and then it will say confirmed over here. You can download your ticket here. And if you're on a mobile device like a tablet or a phone, this will save to your gallery on your phone, and you can use that when you check in at the clinic. I'm going to open the ticket so that everybody can see what that looks like. So here's the ticket to enter the vaccination clinic and receive your vaccine. This is a QR code. This is scanned at each one of the 5 stations inside the vaccination clinics. You will use this QR code to check in. You will use this QR code to check into the nurses station. You will use the QR code to receive your vaccination. You will use the QR code to receive your vaccination card. And you will use the QR code to be released from monitoring after 15 minutes post-vaccination. On here, it has my first, middle, and last name that I entered. It has that I am receiving first dose COVID-19 vaccine, the date, the time, and these are the codes that we can use in case the QR code cannot be read so that we can pull up the information that you entered into the system. You also can see here that when I go to my email, that the confirmation, because I entered the correct email address, it was sent correctly. And you can see down here that both attachments have been sent to my email as well. These will work equally, whether on a desktop or a mobile device. You don't necessarily have to print off the ticket. You're welcome to bring it on your phone or your tablet. Here you can click on View Order Details, and it will return to the page that we just saw at the end of sign up. We appreciate your time and your patience. We know that this system is new and unfamiliar to many of you. If you can remember that you are only given 5 minutes, try to remain calm, enter your information correctly, and make sure that you get a valid email address entered in order to secure an appointment. We appreciate you, and we look forward to seeing you at one of our upcoming vaccine clinics. Thank you.